Alright guys, trying a kind of impossible shot here. With this combination of optics, ammo, the weapon system, and the distance, it's going to be a difficult shot. This is actually a 500-yard shot, just some crappy wolf ammo I had laying around. I'm actually going to be doing some hand loads for this gun, but right now I just had something. Roger that. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be kind of fun. So let's see what happens. All right, Dad. This is cold bore, and hopefully this thing is zeroed at that range. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, go for it. Roger that. The waiting begins. He's checking the target downrange, so.
Alright, I don't see anything on the paper or on the silhouette. So you're high or left or right, I can't tell.
I was on the middle silhouette, or I was on the middle target, right?
Sorry. Yeah, I see your shot. Yeah, you're on paper. You are 4 inches low and 1.5 inches left. 4 inches low, 1.5 inches left. So your left-right is good, but you're a little bit low.
So there you go. First shot, cold bore, crappy wolf ammo. 4 inches low, 1.5 inches left, and 500 yards. Alright, I'm driving back up to the target area now. The guns are there on the berm. Just give you an idea how long 500 yards is. And right on the other side of that berm right there. And here is the one shot, one hit from 500 yards with the Bushmaster XM15. Right there, one shot, one hit, 500 yards. Yeah, that's pretty much a miracle with that ammo and that setup. So anyway.